everyone, and welcome to a new video update for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday video. It's a little bit late, of course, today because we didn't see any so much today. It was very slow ranging so far, and it's very normal for a weekend. However, what you can see already so far is everything is happening here is corrective, of course, and what we can see actually is a kind of a triangle forming here: A, B, C, D, and E. Maybe this is something else, but it's very corrective because also we have touched the 886 here, which means we have to take this price again, or this price, sorry, taken from this point here. So that means, yeah, the price might goes up again after a correction, right? This is very normal. And don't forget, guys, that we have still some targets in the upper side, right? In the higher prices. We have a 1.3 here, 1.38 at 65,240, which is a target, of course, of is a target of a wave B, right? The target of a wave B, which it might be then an expanding flat, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, right? For this red label here in ABC, then we're gonna see 3 waves down for the A. Okay, 3 waves down and 3 waves up, and A, B, and C as an impulse. And why I'm saying this exactly, because if that additional leg for this impulse happen, that means if we get one more leg, that means we having here a 1, 2, yeah, and 3, then 4, then 5. So this might change the structure and turn it, as we said before, to a expanding flat, right? Because this will be considered as A, this is B, and then an impulse, full impulse towards the upside, hitting exactly the target of a wave B. Yeah, we'll end up, of course, with an expanding flat. After this, we want to see, of course, 5 waves down towards the downside. Now that doesn't mean that it is a full bearish scenario. Okay, it could be also like a 1-2 again. So in that case, I mean, it's still open here that this could be a possible one, but still I don't like it, of course. I prefer that this look like 3 waves and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, because even if we get additional waves, this wave 1 is still valid. However, what is not really nice to see is an impulse after a wave 1, which, yeah, opened the possibility, of course, for a bearish scenario. However, the target of this scenario is 54,180, and then we take it from there. So that's why I'm saying it might not be a full bearish scenario, because we might reverse, of course, after this, because we will not reach, of course, the lower low, right? And if that happened, then we have 3 waves up, 3 waves down. Then, of course, we are looking for a wave C towards the upside, another impulse, right? Bigger impulse, and that might be also like reaching very high or higher highs, even like all-time high. So if in that case, we might reach new higher highs, but of course we're not talking about 100K in this scenario. And once finishing this, of course the scenario is gonna turn to very bullish, very bearish, okay? Because if we get this, that means first 2 things. That means that we have an A, then we have a B and a C, okay, or even a B, C here, as you said, the zigzag. Then we got an A, B, and a C, bigger expanding flat. And after those two, zigzag and flat, that means this is a complex structure and we are looking forward towards the downside, right? Therefore, this is in bigger picture what is going on and how this small things here affect the bigger picture of the things, right? So don't forget guys, that this structure might be also a potential bearish. If you remember, I mentioned that this correction could not be just like ABC like this finishing here. It could be an A, B and C, and based on the fib levels and the fib times, this is fitting much more and it is much more healthier than finishing the wave for exactly here. So in that case, it opens of course for an expanding flat, right? And after opening an expanded flat, yeah, then we have to get another flat, another zigzag, maybe simply an impulse towards the downside as well. So these are the things that I want to mention. Now, coming back, of course, to the 1 hour chart, as I said that, of course, we might see higher prices. The 886 has been taken, and we want to take it back as this high price here, and we might even reach the higher high, even this level. Now, another additional scenario is a zigzag, the big zigzag here. So in that case, of course, this is considered as 5 waves, definitely. That means, yeah, because it can be, of course, even for a 1, a 2, it can be as well. However, it can be also a zigzag, yeah. For a fib level 1, right, at 71,800 almost, and that means again it's a bearish scenario. Okay, after this we want to see like a very strong downtrend, finishing the same way how the other scenario that we spoke about it now. And that's it guys. So what you want to see, as I said before, it is preferably that the price just take the 1.618 and just start with 3 waves down for a wave 2. That would be preferably, because higher and higher, that means getting over for a wave V, right? Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and of course today is very slow and that's why I didn't publish so much videos. Tomorrow maybe I will make the deep analysis and show some indicators as well and so on, to get much more support for our analysis, of course. And okay, so don't forget to like the video if you like the updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet, to support me publishing more updating videos as well. Thank you very much. Have a nice week and bye-bye.